Now we're going to disassemble the recliner. First, we cut off the power supply and unplug the wires. Take off the remote control and the pillow. Then hold the top of the bag and grab the bottom of the left wing. Slide up to take it off. We'll come over to the other side and do the same thing. Next, we open the flap. Grab the back and unlock the clip of both sides. And we can easily remove the backrest. To remove the arms, we need to push the seat, grab the bottom of the arm and pull upwards. And we come over to the other side and do the same thing. Done!